Good morning, students. How are you all? I hope you all are fit and fine. Students, here I am back with the video of Unit 3 Fun with Words. But before starting Unit 3, open your GK book. Students, in Unit 3, there are 7 chapters. So let's start our first chapter, that is Books and Authors. Author or writers are people who write books, plays, or stories. Popular authors have written many world famous books. Here, we have to match the authors with the books they have written. And the first author is Roald Dahl, and he has written James and the Giant Peach. Second is Rabindranath Tagore. He has written Gitanjali. Third is William Shakespeare. He has written A Midsummer Night's Dream. Fourth is APJ Abdul Kalam. He has written Wings of Fire. Fifth is Leo Tolstoy. He has written War and Peace. And the last one is Jane Austen. He has written Pride and Prejudice. So let's move to our next chapter, that is Animals Group. A collective noun is a common name given to a group of people, things, or animals of a specific kind. Here we have to fill in the blanks with the appropriate collective noun. I saw a dash of sheep in a farm. Flock of sheep. Second, a dash of cows is crossing the road. Herd of cows. Third, a dash of turkeys is making a lot of noise. Rafter of turkeys. Fourth, the dash of mice ate the tasty cheese lying in the kitchen. Nest of mice. Fifth, a dash of monkeys was sitting on the tree. Troop of monkeys. Sixth is a dash of lions was walking in the jungle. Pride of lions. Seventh, a dash of leopards is drinking water from the lake. Leap of leopards. Eighth, a dash of butterflies fluttering on the flowers in the garden. Swarm of butterfly. Ninth, a dash of puppies is playing with each other. Litter of puppies. Tenth, a dash of rhinoceros is eating grass in the grassland. Crash of rhinoceros. So let's move to our next chapter. Chapter number 3, Groups of Things. There are different things around us. We can group similar things under a common name. For example, mangoes, apples, and grapes can be collectively called fruits. Here we have to write the names of the following groups of things. See here, what are they? Pulses. These are sweets now. So collectively we can say them sweets. Leafy vegetables are given. So collectively leafy vegetables. Tea, coffee, and juice is here. This will be known as beverages. Root vegetables are here. In group we will say them root vegetables. So let's move to our next chapter. Chapter number 4, riddle. A riddle is a statement or question phrased in a confusing or difficult manner and has a clever or funny answer. So let's start our first riddle. It has a face and two hands but no legs. What is it? Clock. Second, which word begins and ends with E and has a letter in it? I. See, first and last letter EE and one letter in between. Third is what has many pores but still hold water? Sponge. It gets wet when it dries. What is it? Towel. What begins and ends with the T and has tea in it? Teapot. 6. How many letters are there in English? 7. English. And last one is what is it that breaks every time you name it? That is silence. Whenever you will say anything, it will break. So next chapter is chapter number 5, and the name of the chapter is sound. When An object vibrates, it produces sound. We hear different types of sound in our daily life. Here we have to write the names of the object and we have to match them with the types of sound they make. This is bell, na? It rings and the sound of bell is rings. These are dishes, na? And the sound of dishes are rattle. Third is, which object is this? Drum. And the sound of drum is beats. These are dry leaves, na? And the sound of dry leaf is rustle. This is a clock and the clock sound is ticks. And this is door and the door cracks. In musical instruments, sounds are produced by the periodic vibrations of one of their part. These vibrations can be created and controlled by the musician. So let's move to our next chapter, chapter number 6, word meaning. Every word has a specific meaning of words and a words was are a tool used to communicate with other. They help us convey our thought to the other. We have to write the meanings of the given word here by using the help box. So the word wet meaning will be damp, believe, trust, continue, carry on with, describe, explain, escape, get away, afraid, scared, favorite, most liked, similar, alike, observe, notice, and last one also too. Dictionary is a book that has words and their meanings listed in an alphabetical order. It also guides us about how to pronounce a particular word. So let's move to our last chapter of this unit. And the name of the chapter is Stories. Stories open doors to imagination and creativity. They are a great source of entertainment and information. Here we have to read the clues and we have to write the names of the stories. So the first clue is a beautiful girl living with a beast to keep her father's promise. And the name of this story is Beauty and the Beast. Second, a genie following the commands of his master in trying to help him in every situation, that is Aladdin and the magic lamp. Third, a young and adventurous girl tumbled down into a rabbit's hole to find a book. The name of the story is Alice in the Wonderland. Fourth, a little boy being looked after by a pack of wolves in a jungle. And the name of the story is The Jungle Book. Fifth story is a frog returning a golden ball that had fallen in the pond to a princess. And the name of the story is Princess and the Frog. A beautiful girl with long hairs living with a witch. And the name of the story is Rapunzel. The famous fairy tale Cinderella was originally written in French by Charles Perrault in 1697. Every day in your book, Hindi, English, or magazines you are reading, or the newspaper, you read na stories. Every day it is a source of entertainment and fun. And also it gives the moral values. Students, now Unit 3 is over. Fill the book from chapter 1 to 7 of Unit 3. Learn it properly and go through the video, whatever is told. Stay safe. Thank you.